Most people don't think about memory when building or upgrading a PC. It's usually the GPU or CPU that gets all the attention. But the moment your system starts slowing down during multitasking or heavy workloads, RAM becomes the first thing you start noticing. This is the Kingston FURY Beast 32GB DDR5 kit running at 6,000 metric tons per second with CL30 timings. On paper, this sits in a very practical and important range for modern systems. It's not entry-level DDR5, and it's not extreme high-end either. It lands in that balanced zone where performance and value start to make the most sense for most users. The setup here uses a 2x16GB configuration, which immediately enables dual-channel performance. That means better bandwidth, better responsiveness, and fewer bottlenecks compared to single-stick setups. It's the kind of configuration you install once and don't have to think about again. It also supports AMD Expo profiles, which makes setup simple on compatible motherboards. Instead of manually adjusting frequencies and timings in BIOS, you can enable the profile and immediately run at rated speeds. That ease of use is something that often gets overlooked, but it matters a lot when you want stable performance without extra tuning. Once installed, the difference shows up in subtle but meaningful ways. The system feels more responsive when switching between applications. Background tasks don't slow things down as much. Everything just feels more stable when multiple workloads are running at the same time. In gaming, the improvements depend on the resolution and the type of game being played. At 1080p, especially in CPU-heavy titles, faster DDR5 memory can help improve frame consistency. You may not always see massive increases in average FPS, but the smoother frame pacing and improved minimums make gameplay feel more stable and consistent. At 1440p and higher resolutions, the GPU becomes the main limiting factor, so the impact of faster RAM becomes less noticeable in raw FPS numbers. However, system responsiveness while gaming and multitasking still benefits in the background. When it comes to productivity tasks, 32GB is increasingly becoming the standard for modern workloads. Whether you're editing video, working with large files, or running multiple heavy applications at once, this kit handles everything smoothly without any signs of strain. The system remains stable even under extended workloads, which is exactly what you want from memory. Thermals and stability are also solid. There's nothing flashy here, and that's actually a good thing. It runs consistently without unexpected drops in performance, even during longer sessions of continuous use. The design is minimal and clean, which makes it easy to fit into almost any build style. It doesn't rely on aggressive styling or unnecessary visual elements, which gives it a more universal and practical appearance. The real question is whether 6,000 metric tons per second CL30 is still the ideal balance point in 2026. For most users, the answer is yes. Pushing beyond this range can give you small performance gains, but the cost increases much faster than the actual improvements. On the other hand, going below this level saves money but can start to impact responsiveness and overall system smoothness in memory-sensitive tasks. That's why this range is often considered the sweet spot for modern DDR5 systems. It delivers strong real-world performance without entering diminishing returns territory. At the end of the day, not every upgrade needs to be extreme. Some upgrades are about making your entire system feel consistently faster without drawing attention to themselves. This is exactly one of those upgrades. If you're building a new PC or upgrading an existing DDR5 setup, this memory kit is a very well-balanced option for performance, stability, and value. Check the description link for pricing and availability. And before upgrading, make sure your motherboard fully supports the rated speed through Expo or equivalent memory profiles, because compatibility plays a bigger role than most people expect.